Welcome to Ride and Rally with Fix My Hog, brought to you by Gators Eyewear. Fit, form, function, proudly made in the USA. Footwear provided by Harley-Davidson Footwear.
Hi, I'm Nate Beck and welcome to Fix My Hog Ride and Rally. Today we're headed down to Miami, Florida. I'm heading down there for some work and I have 2 days off, so I thought what better to do than rent a Harley and ride to the Keys. So it's pretty cold here in Minnesota right now, so I'm gonna run you through what I'm bringing real quick, then I'm gonna hop on a plane and get going. So as always, safety comes first. We got my Kevlar jeans, Kevlar flannel with a back protector in it. And like I've said, man, always take 2 pairs of gloves. You don't know if you're gonna run into rain or even like your hands are sweating, maybe they're rubbing a little wrong. So I've just got 2 nice leather pair unlined gloves to take with me. I've got a rain slicker. It's Florida, man. You know, the rain comes and it goes. If you don't like the weather in Florida, I've heard wait 5 minutes. So we're definitely taking a rain slicker. Along with 2 pair of gloves, I'm gonna be taking 2 pairs of sunnies. It is the sunny state of Florida. I've always usually rode with these, but I'm actually really stoked on this. I got a pair of Gators Boxers that I'll be taking down with me, so I'm super stoked on that. And then of course, safety. I'm taking a brain bucket. This is a Senna Savage. I've finally joined the 21st century, fully Bluetooth capable, so you can get the honky tonk going and answer the phone, talk to people around. So really stoked on trying this one out too. I've heard great things about it. So I'm gonna get this stuff packed up and we'll see you on the bike. We're back. What another awesome trip. It was great getting out of Minnesota cold and some warm breeze. If you're gonna do the ride, I highly suggest hopping off the one early and going down Cardstown Road. There's a great little restaurant right there called Alabama Jack's, right on a little river. And they got great conch fritters. I had the tacos, which were amazing too. Got live music, definitely a biker bar, and a top place to stop and check out. From there, you just take the one all the way down to Key West. I spent the night in Key West, which was great. There's a bunch of awesome bars down there and things to check out. A lot of history there too, which was really nice. And then on the way back up, we stopped at Hog's Heaven, which is another biker joint that is an absolute must stop if you're gonna be doing that ride. They've got great food. I had the barbecue, it was killer. And they got live music, and the patio there, it's sitting right on their boat slip, so the view is second to none. I highly suggest if you find yourself in some town, especially Miami, you have a couple days off, go grab a Harley. Get out there and explore and check it out. So until next time, ride safe, wrench safe, and we'll see you on the road.